Guys, I did some wood sawing outside and I got sawdust all over this thing. Anyway, I got to show you what I did here. That's actually from a Harley FX Wide Glide. What I did is I sawzawed my foot peg off, then I ground the existing metal down and I drilled a hole. I welded a bolt on, and that's a little bit larger than the stock one. It does help with the shifting. So we got that on. Yeah, I got sawdust all over this. You see I sprayed the chrome piece of plastic. Because I told you guys I'm eliminating all ID of the motorcycle. What we're going to do next is we're going to fill this in with aluminum. We're going to do that one. And we're going to fill that one in with aluminum. I might take the engine off, I might not. I mean, I'll be honest with you, I don't have the time. A couple guys told me to paint the wheels. I should have painted the wheels purple or black. But I don't know, man. The thing is when you have to adjust the spokes, if you paint your wheels, the the paint chips and the paint wears off. I don't know, but it starts right up now like it ain't no thing. I mailed some pictures of it to the dude that I bought the motorcycle off of, and he couldn't believe that I got it looking like it is. Here, let me see if I can show you guys the headlight. Headlight's a little... I'm thinking of putting a halogen headlight on. This is a sealed beam, so you can't replace the bulb itself. You have to replace the whole thing. The whole glass hickey is just, it's one piece with the light inside. So if you want to change these, you have to get a whole different setup. It's a 3-wire. It's a 3-wire setup, So I don't know. I might do that. I might not. Now we got an 8 on here. We have to get that inspected because when I took this to the Honda house, they gave me a 6-month sticker, which I didn't know. I thought they were giving me an annual sticker. So I got to call my Ducati dealership up, or they sell Ducatis and BMWs. I'm going to see if they can inspect this for me, and I'm going to get an annual on there sometime this month. Other than that, it's ready to go.